And we start with natural spin turn with pivot ending. Man starts with right foot, forward to side, close, back and pivot, forward continue turn to side, and then we add extra pivot action. Let's look again, this time on lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back to side, close, then forward and pivoting action, diagonally back, brush, forward, and we add their pivoting action. And now with teaching count, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And again, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's look at steps 1 to 3 of natural turn and then open impetus. Man starts with right foot, forward to side, close, back, then close in heel turn, and then to side in promenade position. Now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back to side, close, then forward, then to side around man's heel turn, brush, and to side in promenade position. With teaching count, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From opposite direction, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's look at cross hesitation and outside spin. Man starts with right foot from promenade position, forward in promenade, close without weight, lower. Now with left foot, small step and pivot, forward outside partner, then to side and pivot. Now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with left foot from promenade position, forward in promenade, to side, close, forward outside partner, then close on toes, forward between man's feet and pivoting action. With teaching count, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again with teaching count, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at chasse to promenade position and then wing. Man starts with right foot, forward, side, close, side. This is normal ending, but we will end to side in promenade position. Then man continues forward in promenade and close left foot without weight to right foot, leading lady to wing position. Now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back, side, close, side, normal ending, but we change. Lady turns to promenade and goes to side in promenade. Forward in promenade, forward, forward outside partner on left side, ending in wing position. And now with teaching count, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. And now progressive chasse to right, then steps 4 to 6 of natural turn. Man starts with left foot, forward outside partner on left side, side, close, side. Now with left foot back in CBMP to side and close. Lady steps, lady starts with right foot back in CBMP, side, close, side. Now with right foot forward outside partner, side and close. With teaching count. And 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. From opposite direction with teaching count, and 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at whole routine in slow motion. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at routine to music. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.